Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Nioh 2. And I just noticed this. I think if we do this, we might open up the Nioh power. I was wrong. Okay. So, we have this main main blah 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 mission, not building, but smithing text for the yokai water pot. I mean, oh, that reminds me. Okay. I could get 117 of them. Let's start with 40. And Demon Horn? 60, because yeah, I want those spirit things. Okay. Let's go see what this is about. Hey, did you hear the news? Takeda Shingen finally seems to have fallen, into illness no less. But although he is surely in sickbed, there have been numerous sightings of him on the battlefield. This is causing quite a stir, as you can imagine. But likely, it's simply a case of mistaken identity. But has the soldiers agitated nonetheless? Would you mind accompanying me? I would like to know the truth of this matter. I think the history was that the Takeda clan was putting out an imposter to keep... Okay. To keep appearances up. Okay. Ready jutsu? Sure. You know what? Sure. But we're not going to do that. Set a shortcut. Yeah. Actually, okay. We want at least some of these. Yep. Sure. Okay, yeah, I think this will do. This is an arena, isn't it? Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, I see you there. Okay. Won't happen again. Okay. So, Fire Talisman, not so big a deal. Keep this. This is not an issue. This could be useful. Sure. Could be useful. I maybe should look into getting the power pill from a ninjutsu. I think I said that wrong. I'm very quite certain I said that wrong. I have only one sacred water left. This might actually be useful here. Okay. Oh, shoot. Thank you. I forgot those things. That's the only... Whew. Okay, so the only time the BY player shows up is if you beat him the first time. That's it. Okay, cool. Cool. Unfortunately, this means that the only thing left... I mean, I could do that Twilight mission. And the only Twilight mission I've done on this character... So the rumors of Shingen's death and those of his sightings on the battlefield were both true. Well, hopefully the stir should die down now, thank you. But to think that even in death, Shingen still commanded the loyalty of the Takeda clan. It only goes to show that what an extraordinary individual he was. Ah, but even so, he is surely no match for Lord Nobunaga. If I were to die, I would continue fighting at his side, be it as a ghost or yokai, I'll be there. That's prescient, I think. Okay. Bird in a cage. I could do this. The only one of these I have done was one of the videos I lost. And yeah, I am looking for hidden treasure. But I think I've got them all on this. Ooh, nope. There we go. Wandering Traveler. Okay. This is... So even though his castle surrounded Nagamas is not going to listen to Nobunaga's demands, set Lady Oichi free, that means the only choice is to storm the palace. Storm the place. But to think she's there, right in the middle of all this chaos. Hitty, it's up to us to get her out of this, alive. The enemy are preoccupied with holding off Lord Nobunaga's troops. Let us use this chance to slip in and find Lady Oichi. Yeah, because this can't possibly go wrong. Okay. I'm going to drop some of the... Here we go. I'm going to drop that. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep that. You know what, actually? That might be useful. I know there are going to be some things that resist. That'll definitely be useful. Definitely. Yep. It's going to be a lot of humans around. It's going to be a lot of sneaking around. I don't think the Shikigami are going to be as useful for me at the start. Get two of these. And some of these. How many resistance do I have? Two? Let me get the three. Okay. There. There. Cool. What's down here? Hey, treasure. Signpost amulet. So you can have them show up on your minimap, basically. I've never really used them. Which I probably should, given how easily I get lost. Okay. Okay, that's blocked. Yep. I used 6 shots on those. Yeah, stench. I think we've seen it before with the volcano. I don't like this. I could go there, but I'll tell you, it'll go badly. That guy will see me. This way isn't much better. Because spiders. Wasted one shot. I forget where the weak spot is on these things. That doesn't matter. One shot from the sacred. Oh, right, these things. Some of them have baby spiders. Okay. Keep an eye out. Almost forgot to do this. Oh, so sneaky. Such great sneak attack there. All right. Helmet. Okay. Oh, this guy. Okay. Oh, well, yeah. Okay, fine. That was easier than I remember. Again, I might be a little... Oh, right. Oh, hello. Right. Kodama. Oh dear, I'm gonna have to remember where all the Kodama are. Okay. That's not down yet. I'm stinky. Where's that freight? I could just let it run down. But I can't. I can't really eat right now. If I, well, now I can. Well, hello. If you try to eat while that effect is there, there's a chance you get sick. Okay. Now, I'm not really feeling the geyser right now, actually. It did fairly well. I think I'll be better with other things. That. I can only have 5 of those? Not really worth it. Really? Well, let's have some I can only have one barrier? Ugh. Eight is reasonable, I think. Huh? Okay. Go up here. And now we can take the shortcut. We don't waste arrows on the spider. But you, however... By the way, you know what this guy's weakness is? It's his tail. Ooh, I died. That was surprising. Okay, cut down by a Tesso. However, that is enough for me tonight. We'll get back to this later. And talk to you then. Bye. I guess 30 seconds more. Okay. But anyway, we'll deal with the Fardine rat monks later. Talk to you then. Bye.